Hey you guys, come with me to check out this Greenworks brushless cordless string trimmer. This thing is awesome. I love Greenworks for a few different reasons. The biggest one is that they are battery chargeable. So we're not using gas. We're able to just use the same battery and recharge it. This works very, very well. There's the string right there. There's the little stopper in the back. This thing is just so cool. It can trim up to a mile on one charge, or that's about 40 minutes of battery runtime, and then you can recharge it in 80 minutes. It comes with this shoulder strap that's got the nice cushion on it. It comes with a high and a low setting. It has everything you need in a trimmer. It's seriously so nice, so convenient, and it's honestly pretty lightweight. I'm able to pick this up and use it pretty easily, which is also a big hit for me. So we're coming right up on spring and summer. Everybody's going to need something like this, and I highly recommend checking out Greenworks. Like I said, I love them. I love the rechargeable battery. They are a hit.